Greetings to you, all beautiful soul. Another beautiful style is here. Once again, I say Happy New Year to you all and I wish you a prosperous one. Alright, let's get into the business. You see, what is on my hand is second material, satin second material. So, the division is 50-50. I divided it two equal half. Place it on my head. Took some pleats, 3 pleats or 4 pleats. Then arrange the plate, took everything to the back. I took everything to the back, then crossed it and brought it to the front. Alright, but meanwhile, before I did that, you can see that one of the ear is closed while the other one is not closed. I want to form a V shape. So now I'm going to use this part now to close this ear that is not closed so that it will form a V shape in your front. So this is how you can tie a head wrap with a V shape. If you place it on your head, you close one ear first while the other one is not closed. Then when you're coming back, then you close the second ear and you form your V comfortably. So you can see it. So raising that part up using my hand to hold it down at the back, I twisted this other side now. Then raising it up, I use it to hold that part that I took to the back. While I continue twisting this one, then I will twist everything, take it to the back and tuck it in. Alright, so watch closely, pay attention to what I'm doing. Then this flap now, I'm going to arrange it to have a ruffle. Oh yes, to have a ruffle on it. So pay attention to my hand. You will understand better what I am doing. Alright, so see what I'm doing now. I just ruffle it and bring everything down. Then I tuck the edge in. Alright, this head wrap, no pin, no rubber band. But this edge you tuck it now, this edge that I tuck it now, you can use your pin to support it if you actually want. But if you don't want, you're good to go. You can see now, I did not use any rubber band and I didn't use pin. Just tuck it in very, very well. But if you're going to all one bed and you dance with your head, better use pin and hold your head wrap. Alright, so that is it. They are good to go, beautiful. You can see the back now. Just fold the back in at that point just to make the edge very smooth. Alright, so the person you're hearing a voice, if this is the first time you're coming across my video and channel, is Demi Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Thank you so much, all my subscribers, both new and old ones. I welcome you so much, and please do want to drop your like, your comment on the comment section. Share my videos for other people to see it. Let us learn together. So I'm very happy. See you in my next video.